Hi everyone, my name is Tushar Gupta and I did my summer internship with Tranta Software Private Limited in Chandigarh. The name of my project is Music Genre Classification, which I did under the guidance of Mr. Vibho Mahajan, who is the Chief Technical Architect in Tranta, and Dr. Sushma Jain, who is a professor in the CSED department, Thapa University. So let me first introduce you to Tranta. So Tranta is a software services provider company which deliver innovative technological solutions which enable their clients to achieve business objectives at a reduced cost. So Tranta has grown around 1900% in the past 3 years, and the main reason because for that is their expertise in various technologies like cloud-based applications, Python applications, Java, big data, etc. So let's talk about the project. My project, Music Genre Classification, comes under the category of MIR, Music Information Retrieval. Now, music is a significant part of internet data, and we most of the times we download music from many websites, but the information, the metadata regarding the audio files is generally missing. So automatic music genre classification provides us a way to organize our data by classifying it on the basis of genres. Now these genres can be anything like classical music, pop music, metal music, rock music, and so now where is this project used? So my company, Tranta Software, has developed a music application called Speezy. So now whether you are an artist, a producer, or a composer, Speezy provides you with a platform to create new songs through collaboration with new people and take your tracks to the next level. Speezy provides artists with high quality music recording features which fits right in their pocket. It is available on iOS as well as Android. It is absolutely free, and the music that you publish will be owned by you. Now let's look at the screenshots of this app which have been taken from the iOS app. So as we can see, it provides us the feature to record our music. Then we can upload the music on the app, and we can also edit the music. Then we have the option to, through collaboration with composers or other producers, to edit and publish our songs. So now let's look at the basic block diagram of my project. So we have an audio file which is the song uploaded by the user, from which we extract audio features. Now these features can be FFT features or MFC features. FFT stands for fast Fourier transform features, and MFC stands for Mel frequency spectrum features. We'll have a look at them in detail further. Then we select the feature that we require, which is the best for our classifier, and the classifiers can be naive based classifier, logistic regression classifier, SVM, support vector machine classifier, and many more. And what this classifier does is categorize our music on the basis of genre and keeps them in a class which can be classical, country, rock, pop, etc. Now let's look at audio based features. So the first feature I worked with was the forced Fourier transform, which is a part of DFT, a discrete Fourier transform. It takes a discrete signal in time domain and transforms that signal into discrete frequency domain. But it does point in the right direction, but it is not in itself sufficient for music genre classification. So the next technique we looked at is Mel frequency spectrum, known as MFC. It encodes the power spectrum of sound, which is the power of each frequency that the sound contains. So now let's look at the first classifier, naive based classifier. It is a supervised learning approach, and it is based upon the Bayes theorem. It is an intuitive method that uses probabilities of each attribute belonging to each class to make a prediction. So it is known as naive because it assumes that the probability of each attribute belonging to a given class value is independent of all the other attributes. But the accuracy given by naive Bayes classifier was low, as we can see from this confusion matrix. In case of classical, metal and pop, the accuracy was decent, but in case of genres like country and jazz and rock, the accuracy was quite low. Second classifier we use is the logistic regression classifier, which has been borrowed from the field of statistics. It is based upon the logistic function, which is an S-based curve that can take any real valued number and map it into a value between 0 and 1. So we take input values x1, x2, etc., which are combined linearly using weights or coefficient values here it is b0, b1, b2 to predict an output value y. So as we can see from the confusion matrix, logistic regression classifier provides much better results than the naive Bayes classifier. In case of classical, metal and pop, the accuracy has gone quite high, and also rock and jazz show significant improvement as compared to naive Bayes. But still there is some scope of improvement, and we move on to the last classifier, the SVM support vector machine classifier. Given label data, for example in this case the circles and the squares, the algorithm outputs an optimal hyperplane which categorizes new samples. What do we mean by optimal? So for example, if a hyperplane passes too close to the points, it will be sensitive to noise and will not generalize correctly. Therefore our goal should be to find the line passing as far as possible from all the points, and twice this distance will be known as the margin. Now SVM can efficiently perform nonlinear classification as well using the kernel trick, which implicitly maps their inputs into higher dimensional feature spaces with the help of dot product. So now this is the confusion matrix obtained in case of SVM, and as we can see, the accuracy for almost all the genres has improved drastically. In case of classical, pop, rock and metal, the accuracy is pretty high, and even in case of country and jazz, it is significantly high. So let's look at the key highlights of this project. First of all, we used the naive Bayes classifier, which gave us low accuracy of 58%, and so we had to move to the second classifier, the logistic regression classifier, which gave us an accuracy of 68%. But for genres like jazz, rock and country, some better results were needed. So in the end we moved to SVM, which gave us pretty good accuracy of around 75% and was the one used by me in my project. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.